That's all gonna be cleaned up anyway. Oh, it goes down here.
No, I know. Just putting it beside it there. Okay, so the brass bushings, they erode it on this shaft. They sit inside this pillow block. It's basically a pipe and angle iron. And anyways, you can see it started cutting into it. So it's wore this shaft down. So we have a speedy sleeve. We're just slitting right now. Pound over the spline taper shaft here. Put on here. Green Loctite it. Put the brass bushings on top. Put the pillow block back in. And clamp it back there. And then get the reel back up to where it's supposed to be. Put the drive belt back on. And then we got 2 bars to change on here. One's a scab bar that I made, and one's a bar that I misordered. No, it is above the thing. Oh, it was.
No, it wasn't. It's not.
Got the farmer crane back out, lifting the reel up here. So we got the brass bushings on now, on the speedy sleeve, and we're just trying, for lack of a better term, to put this pillow block on. There's some difficulty with the pillow block. It's got some wear on it. It's a little ovaled out. So anyways, it's been challenging. We've tried it 3 times now. So, or 2 anyways, maybe the 3rd time's the charm, I don't know. I'm just heating it up again here with some MAP gas and a small torch, trying to open it up a little. Dad's looking for a crescent wrench or something so we can use it to hammer against. So we get this 3/4 of the way on and we can't get it home without the bushings starting to move, so we're planning on just wedging something back there so those bushings don't push back, but the crescent wrench we have is a little bit too thick, so must be a little bit of grease left that I didn't get out of here or something. Okay, so the bronze bushings are back in behind here. This is put back on. This was a tapered shaft, spline taper shaft. We had to tweak the pulley a little bit so you can see we marked A, B, C, D, and X. And then tighten the belt, so it looks pretty good.